So hey guys, it is your Thursday on Crab Collab. So before I get to the theme and challenge, unless you live under a rock, you don't know my username. Just kidding. I'm Just Be Jelly. Yeah. Now to the theme and challenge. So, my name is Jared. I already introduced myself a lot. Things I like: long walks on the beach and your mom. Okay, and so yeah, I like music, and my best friends are Paula, Kyle, Chrissy, Pierce, Isaac, Paula, Hannah. And guys, guess what?
I'm sick.
Like if you know where that's from. Yesterday was a really exciting day for me. So, if you didn't know what yesterday was, it was October 3rd. And guess what that day is? National Mean Girls Day! Yes, it was National Mean Girls Day, and yes, if you don't know why October 3rd is National Mean Girls Day, you live under a rock, look at this video.
It's October 3rd.